If there's something I fix more than anything in my lifetime, it's going to be this. Let's get into it. Yes. Don't you click away. You know you want to see this. This is what happens when you got puppies and glasses. I've had to fix more glasses like this than anything. I should have opened a shop to fix glasses. I could get rich off of what we got to fix ourselves. Let's go to the scope and take a look here. So let's take a look at what we've got here. There's all different kind of glasses. This is a plastic arm, and it's got this metal piece that's molded into it or pressed into it. Sometimes these get ripped out. Let me see if this one's got the stake on the other side. And sometimes it comes all the way through and it'll have metal here. Then you've got this other pivot piece. And we can see that's where the bend is. This guy's really bent. We may wind up breaking this. And sometimes this rips out of the plastic. And this one's got the rivets coming through the other side. So these are usually pretty strong ones. Let's go back to the overhead. All right, let's start with a little blue tape. And this is going to go quick. This is either going to be a good repair or not. It's usually how these go. You either break them or you don't. So I think I'm going to go for the brute force method. Sometimes you can take these arms off. That's a better method. But we're gonna go brute force here. And we're going to see if we break this thing. I don't like the way it feels. And I'm just really slowly trying to bend this guy back. And we're looking pretty good. And I didn't feel it crack. So sometimes that metal piece will snap right off. And we're back in position. That looks really good. Okay. Wife will be happy with that. And we hopefully don't bend them tonight yet. Let's get our blue tape off. All right, let's get them cleaned up. Get them back to the wife. And that's it for tonight. Like, subscribe. See you next time. Maybe we'll do something different. Maybe.